everyone, what's up? It's Bailey. I'm vlogging today. My mom and I are out. We're going to run some errands and I figured I'd take you guys with us. So my mom's in the driver's seat. I'm in the passenger seat. Mom's in the driver's seat. Oh, yeah, we're in the car. We're on the way. You can't even see my mom because my hair's so big. Hi guys. Who's gonna?
101 The Beats, the Nashville home for hip hop and R&B.
101 The Beats.
And for those of you.
Yeah, we'll diabetic.
Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock, someone hit your block up. I tell you if it was up.
Alright, y'all. About to suit up. But
It's like, what's
I
wrong
don't
with
want
you
it.
guys? Put on a mask, put on some gloves, okay?
just put on a mask, bro.
Yeah, I don't even care about the gloves because you can use hand sand, but at least.
Yeah, but at least put on a mask. Like, you dirty. That's dirty. Time to go to Sally's.
Maybe even the spring blossom, that's cute. That's pretty too.
Okay.
But that's like a white. Are you trying to go white blonde or just like a yellow blonde?
Yellow line, right?
Like a yellow blonde?
Yeah.
So we got all the things that we need.
Alright guys, try it out. Try it blonde.
Get her blonde. Yes, we got the toner for the blonde. We got strips and alcohol because we need alcohol. So yeah, we have everything, and now we're heading to the flower shop. Yay! Was that your excitement?
Yeah.
Yay! Do you like the song? I never heard it.
I mean, we may get some medication for it, vaccine, but Corona's here to stay. Like,
I agree.
who woke up the bear?
Humanity. Aperture. It's dark in here. I want these. I think I want some of these in my room. I think that's what I need. Green kind too. These are pretty. So pretty.
One of the pink.
Those are cute.
Yeah, those are pretty.
Pretty. Oh, those are really cute.
And I'll be posting our pink pictures soon.
Yeah.
Pink shirt, those are cute.
So this is what I got. Look at how this is cool. It's so big. This is what I got. My mom got that. Alright guys, so like you saw, we got our flowers! Yay! So we got our flowers, they're in the bag. Boom. My mom got this big King protein. I don't even know, but it's huge. You saw it in the video. I said pink was favorite color.
One of my favorite colors, but it's not the favorite.
Oh! What?
Yeah.
Say it again on camera.
I like pink.
You said it is one of my favorite colors.
Well, be gray, black, and then pink. Okay? You can't color.
That is not accurate. Did you really say gray, black, and then pink?
Yeah, I've always loved pink. First of all, ski weed. Get your life, okay?
You didn't say
Ski-
green.
Well, no one really cares about the green in AK. We care about the pink.
No, her favorite colors are gray, black,
White,
like,
then pink.
no.
Then what's next?
Like yellow.
Ew, no. No, no, and no.
I would say purple. Purple is her favorite color.
Purple used to be my all-time favorite.
It's
changed.
No, she literally doodled on my iPad last night. I went back and checked the color she last used. It was purple. It wasn't pink.
Could you go check? You know what? Let me call this kid.
So pink is my color. Did you hear on our last video? She was like, "Ugh, pink." She was like, "Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?" I was like, "Mom, yes, it's pink."
had to text my son.
We're headed to get fruit and olives. Fruit and olives.
This time.
I'm going.
No, the last time you didn't go in, I went in. You sent me in and you had me to get jelly beans. You want some damn jelly beans? You better come in and get them yourself.
Hey, stop cussing on my channel.
You can't curse on YouTube. I curse on my channel. Give a little ass damn, you know, every so often. No, you tell the people what you did to me.
She slapped me. First of all, she slapped me in the face.
Bam! I gave her like a
She slapped me.
backhand.
Then after she slapped me.
It felt so good, guys. She's never been slapped. It felt so good.
I've been slapped before.
By who?
You! What you mean by who?
I've never slapped you. What?
Stink. Yes, you did.
Oh, that one incident? Oh, we don't want to talk about that on camera.
She slapped me. She slapped me.
You was about to die that day. That's the one time I've ever been like super angry at you. I was disappointed. I had to slap her into shape.
She slapped me. Then she proceeded to
Then I called your father.
Then she grabbed the titty,
Last night?
the right one, and wrestled me and almost ripped my favorite pajama shirt and
I was
really
gonna
pulled
rip
it
it.
off of me.
I was gonna rip it off. Yeah. You go for Bailey's titties, and she literally is like, she can't do anything.
I am disabled.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's have a poll. We're gonna get some fruit.
And olives.
All right, another trip inside somewhere. Another box of gloves. Glove for you.
It's not.
Oh, wait, don't come for Michelle watches. The watches are everywhere.
Okay, I have a couple Michelle watches.
Yeah, that's
but
what I'm saying. But you about to come for me like Michelle ain't a good watch.
What you
T.
don't is mix up a Rolex with a Michelle watch. Okay.
Say, don't come for me. I don't have no Rolex watch or a Michelle watch.
Well, you'll get one.
One day. That's why I said so they're big. Yeah, it's the same size.
No, this is not the size that's in that box. This is a small too, babe. It's two of the same. This must just be a random one. Yeah, take a look. This is a random.
Oh,
I'm like, wait. I'm like, no. That must be, but keep that one. You have to keep it.
Watch your face.
I still like that. We're getting olives, lunch meat.
Olives, lunch meat, and fruit. Alright guys, so we conquered. As you can see, I got my hot pickle, which I've been wanting.